Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook perfect scrambled eggs, a breakfast classic. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients: fresh eggs, a touch of milk or cream, and basic seasonings. You'll also need a good non-stick pan and a reliable rubber spatula to achieve that ideal fluffy texture. Get ready to transform a few simple items into a delicious meal in just a few minutes. Now let's get those eggs ready. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. For an extra creamy texture, add about 1 tablespoon of milk or cream. Then whisk them vigorously for at least 30 seconds. You want the yolks and whites to be completely combined, with no streaks remaining. Finally, season your mixture with about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper for flavor. With your eggs whisked, it's time to cook. Heat 1 teaspoon of butter or oil in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour in your egg mixture. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. Then, using your rubber spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this gentle folding for 2 to 3 minutes. The key to perfectly fluffy scrambled eggs is knowing when to stop cooking. Remove the pan from the heat when the eggs are still slightly moist and glistening. They will continue to cook from the residual heat, reaching that ideal soft, creamy consistency. Don't overcook them, or they'll become dry. Serve your delicious scrambled eggs immediately on warm toast with bacon, or alongside any of your favorite breakfast accompaniments. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.